Hello everybody. So in this class I'm just going to teach you something about the Xampp server. As you know that we're just learning the PHP, but before learning the PHP we have to know that how the PHP runs in our computer. PHP needs a server named Xampp server, actually this Apache server, okay? And Xampp is actually the package which has the Apache server and the supported PHP files, actually the helpers for running the PHP, the complete PHP language with all of its pre-built functions, by the way. And then Xampp has a lot of other things. The most important things is the PHP, and then the Apache, and then the MySQL database. What is the MySQL database? For saving and storing our data in a database, we use the MySQL database, and then we just retrieve the data to our computer, or actually our web page, using the MySQL. So all these functions, for all these functions we have multiple ways. We can download the Apache or the MySQL database or PHP particularly, but the better thing is to download the Xampp package in one time. Xampp or Vamp, there are two kind of packages. One is called Xampp and second is called Vamp. Okay, we can download both of them, both works perfect, but I am just using the Xampp. Okay, so there is the Xampp installer and downloads for Apache friends. The website for Xampp installer is apachefriends.org. Let's just go to the website, and now you can see that for which operating system you need the Xampp. We need the Xampp for the Windows, not for Linux or the Macintosh, the Apple OS. So by the way, we just want the, if you're using the Linux or Apple system, then you can use and download these files, but I'm just gonna download this Xampp for Windows. Okay, so there I am just gonna click on the Xampp for Windows. Okay, it is downloading. It has it can take some time because it's more than 100 MB, so let's just wait a little bit. So for now I'm just going to the downloads folder, and there is the Xampp installer. You can download it by click on yes. Okay, now it's just installing, not downloading, sorry, it is installing. Oh, it is asking something now. It seems you have an antivirus running. In some case, etc. Yes, I have no problem if antivirus is running. Just click on OK. Now important and activated, because an activated user account control on your system, no problem, just click on OK. Now it is just telling us welcome to the Xampp setup wizard. Let's just click on next. And now what do you want to install? The Apache is necessary, that is why you can't uncheck this. But do you want the MySQL or no? Yes, I want. FTP file server? No. Mercury mail server? No. Tomcat? No. Perl? No. Obviously Perl is another language, but I just want to install the PHP in my system. Now what program languages you want? The PHP MyAdmin or Webalizer, Fake Sandmail? I don't want the Fake Sandmail or Webalizer, I just want the PHP MyAdmin. What is the PHP MyAdmin? By using the PHP MyAdmin we can control the MySQL database by using some handy stuff. Visually means by using your mouse, by the way. Let's just click on next one. Now what the folder you just want to save the file? I already have the Xampp folder because I'm already working on it, so I'm just typing Xampp1, but you should not do this. Okay, let's just click on next. And now Bitnami for Xampp provides free installers that can install Drupal, Joomla, and etc. Do you want to download these things or no? No. Learn more about Bitnami for Xampp? No, I don't want to learn. Let's just click on next. And now setup is now ready to begin installing Xampp on your computer. So let's just click on next again, and now there, welcome to Xampp. Xampp is an easy to install Apache distribution containing MySQL, PHP, and Perl. We are not working with Perl at the moment. By the way, some more advertisements from the Bitnami, and there you can see that the files are unpacking. Most of the package has been unpacked, but a little bit is just remain. Approximately completed now. And then what they are just giving to me, and now they're just creating the uninstaller. You can see that because obviously we can uninstall the Xampp as well. So now it is completed and they are just asking me, setup has finished installing Xampp on your computer. Do you want to install the control panel now? If I just tick there, that means I just want to start the control panel. Otherwise, just leave that. Just click on finish and now the control panel is starting. Okay. So now you can see that FileZilla module, Mercury module, and this Tomcat module is disabled, obviously because I didn't install all of them. So definitely we don't need. But what we just need to do, just click on start, and then here they're just asking to allow access, okay, to the Apache HTTP server. And then when I just click on MySQL, then again they will ask the same thing to unblock the MySQLD, and I'm just clicking on unblock. Okay, so now you can see that the both has turned green. That means the PHP is working. If you just want to check that your Xampp control panel is working or no, so let's just go to the browser and let's just type in the next page local host, okay, and press enter. And then what I'll get, now you can see that Xampp, and here they're asking that which language do you want to run the Xampp. I'm just clicking on English, and now try out the new Xampp welcome page. That means the Xampp is successfully running in our computer. Okay, but if you just want to install any of the application, you can install them as well, but the course is not about to these examples, by the way. Okay, what is the PHP-MyAdmin? You can go to the PHP-MyAdmin from there. Just click on there, the PHP-MyAdmin. This is what I said, the PHP-MyAdmin. Let's just adjust this now. The database area, well, we'll learn about PHP-MyAdmin later on. I just want to show you that our Xampp server is successfully running. So now, for example, not the Xampp server only, the Apache is successfully running. If I just stop the Apache, then when I just go back to the browser and refresh that, and now what I will get? Nothing. Okay, the page is not working, the page is not available. Just why? Because the Apache is not working. Okay, Apache is a server which runs the files. Now when I just clicked on Apache to run, to start, then you can see that the file is working. So guys, just try this. We'll learn some more things in next class. Stay tuned and goodbye.